In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple teachable sales pages with different prices. By the end, you'll have clear pricing tiers visible on your sales page and unique checkout links you can share for different funnels, like email campaigns or ads. Start inside your Teachable admin by opening the course you want to sell. Head to the course area and choose Pricing. This is where you define your offers. Click Add Pricing Plan and create your tiers. Give each plan a simple, memorable name and set the price. For example, you might set up Basic at $29, Standard at $59, and Premium at $99. Keep the names consistent with the value you're offering, and write a short internal description so it's easy to remember how each tier differs. If you prefer, you can choose the pricing type that fits your strategy, such as a one-time payment, a subscription, or a payment plan. Save each plan as you go so nothing gets lost. Once your pricing plans are set, move over to the visual side. Go to Pages and open your sales page for this course. Add a pricing block to the page. In the block settings, select the exact plans you want to display. You can control which tiers appear, the order they show up in, and the button labels, so visitors know exactly what to click. Keep the copy clear and benefit-focused. If you've named your plans Basic, Standard, and Premium, make sure the page explains the difference in a sentence or two right above or below the pricing block, so buyers can decide quickly. Publish or update your sales page, then preview it to confirm everything looks clean. You should now see multiple prices on a single sales page, each with its own button that sends customers to the correct checkout. Here's an important tip that gives you even more flexibility. Each pricing plan automatically has a unique checkout URL. You can use these links to send people straight to a specific plan from an email, a social post, or a separate landing page. To find a link, go back to the pricing area of your course, open the plan you want, and copy its checkout link. Share that link wherever it makes sense for your funnel. Before you go live, test every button and link in a private browser to confirm the right plan loads at checkout. That's it. You now have a single sales page showcasing multiple prices, plus individual checkout links to support different funnels, audiences, or promotions.